So we're going to run through on how to make a client sticker for a device. So we're going to use the previous style that we were just using, and I'm going to run through how to make a sticker. So we go across the diamond labels. So we come across here. It's usually up there. So we can come onto that. If it's on something other than our sticker, we go to open, don't save. We go to your current sticker. Just going to make that a bit bigger for you so you can see it. So this stuff here you don't have to touch. That's always preset. We put in the client's name, so you can punch into here and then start typing the name. You punch into the client's phone number. I'll go across to the invoice. You double click on client details aren't there. I'm just going to show you. It's going to pretend that this was in there before. Good. So we come across to here. We grab the client details from there. You go back to your thing. We punch that into there. Then we come across to here. You grab the invoice number from up here. You double click and then you can copy. You come back over to triple click and paste. And you've got the client details. Then we put under here what we're doing. So this is a temp. This is a matte hydro. Matte hydro. But if we're going to do a front screen and a tempered glass, we put on that. You don't have to say what the device is. The tech knows. They ain't silly. So we can put in something simple like that. You don't have to write an essay in here. I just want it as short as we can so it's easy to read. If it's an iPad screen, we go front screen, and they're getting a tempered glass, we go tempered glass. I don't need you to write. I don't need you to write that. It's too freaking hard to read. Yeah? We just want to make it really simple. The guys know what they're doing with the text. So just write as little information in there as you can. And then you hit print and it prints it out. All right?
Well, it would have been around the Boxing Day sale, so it would have been great.
So in this one, we're doing an iPad, we're doing front screen, tempered glass. The sticker ends up looking like this, and we put it on the back of the iPad. Now, I don't want them placed anywhere. I want them placed on the bottom. Above, this is in the wrong spot. Put them on half, not the whole way. You're gonna put them in the middle, half like that. There you go. You can actually just sit them on there the whole way. I'd rather you put them on there the whole way, flat down the middle. That way, when we're seeing the client, we've seen the iPad down like that. If it's going onto a phone, this is a phone, yeah? When you're putting it on a phone, you only put it on halfway and you put it that way. Yeah, in the middle, like that. So we only put it on halfway so it's easier to get off. That's where we put it. On iPads down there, on the back of phones, we put it like that. All right?